Listen me, come rediscover Jamaica, the heartbeat of the world. Come everybody explore Kingston city. If you never know, there's so much out there to see. Visit a museum or national gallery, Devon House, ice cream or some party. Go to the hills, Blue Mountain, coffee brewed, or to the beach, make we get a little seafood. Hop on a boat, lime kiwi gone, mini cruise. There's so much we can do. Come join us and feel good again.
Jamaican heartbeat.
Jamaica. Come join us and feel good again.
Can you feel it?
Sure. Come join us and feel good again.
Jamaican heartbeat.
Love it. Come join us and feel good again.
Heartbeat of the world.
Just take a look at these delicious patties and pastries. Tell us, what are the secret recipes? The reason people can't get enough of the Devon House Bakery.
I can't tell you the secret, but what I can tell you is that we are the home of the exclusive handmade Jamaican patties, like the famous curry goat and our new ackee and saltfish patty.
As a legend Bob Marley says, the sun is shining and the weather is sweet. Let's hear from one of our dedicated workers in the tourism sector. What has it been like here of late?
The vibe has been amazing. Lots of people are out. Families, little children and their friends, they're all enjoying themselves. We are waiting on you. May I wait for you?
Basie, we're still here at the famous Devon House. We have a very special guest here today. Good day, Minister Bartlett. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Hello, Stephanie. I hope you're enjoying our island and all we have to offer you.
I most definitely am. And what brings you here today?
Well, actually, I'm here to have some of our famous Devon House ice cream and patties, my favorite.
I'm hoping to try some too. Is there a message you would like to share with everyone?
Yes, I invite everyone to come out and rediscover Jamaica. It's time to feel good again.
So me say greetings, welcome to one and all, to our land of scat, reggae and dancehall. Come we go beach, river and waterfall, make we have a lot of fun until the night fall. All a vibe, eat something with a drink in your hand, jerk chicken, bread food, roast fish, yellow yam. This is for all Jamaicans, every boy, every girl, enjoy Jamaica, the heartbeat of the world. Come join us and feel good again.
Jamaican heartbeat.
Jamaica. Come join us and feel good again.
Can